Hello friends. In the previous class we discussed about that Satish Gujaral, Satish and Surinder. Two friends are speaking. So Surinder came to Satish house because of Satish didn't attend the school. Surinder want to know the reason of his absence, but now he see that his friend Satish is laying on the bed because of illness. So since 1 year, means since the last holidays trekking, when he went to Kashmir, since that when he returned from Kashmir, since that he oftenly fell ill because why he get that type of bad health because of an accident. Satish met an accident when he went to Kashmir for hiking when they crossing the Rikti bridge over some rapids with his father and his brother. He slept down in the swirling water, that is very rapid force in that water. He fell down in that water. So after that, when he get back the conscious, his legs were plastered with cast and his head is also badly hurt. So that from that day he getting illness because of many more operations are taken on his legs. Due to the treatment, maybe the side effect of that treatment, he losing his hearing ability. So now the Satish is facing the problem of incapable of hearing. So that's why what happens is regular school teacher is long absence and integrity of schools, and also his hearing problem. The teacher faces some problems to teach him. So that's why they told his father Avatar Nayan that the teacher suggested his father Avatar Nayan to about that you must join your school, you must join your son to the special school, that is the dumb and deaf school. But Avatar Nayan get very angry and he take the transfer certificate from that school and he tried to join the other schools. But every school, what happens, the new school, but this Satish didn't want to join the new school because in the new school he maybe face many problems of that, because the new friends are mocking at his hearing ability. So that's why he feel very bad about that and he don't agree to go new school. But what happens, the present school is not accept his admission. So that's what happens. Avatar Nayan went in search of new school, but at last what happens, this Satish would not like to join the new school. So here how Avatar Nayan convinced his son to join the new school. We see today's lesson. Okay children? Beta, you have to go to glossary words. Now I am introducing glossary words. Snatches means parts. Persuasion means act of convincing. Bluntly means unwillingly. Shattered means helpless. Tuned means remarks intended to hurt somebody's feelings. Expedition means a journey with a purpose. Leaf through the books means read carefully. Sensitive mind means tender, responsive mind. Ferocious means restless. Now I read the lesson. Beta, you have to go to school and learn. What will you do in life if you don't get education? He asked his son. Satish heard snatches of his words but knew what he was saying. After a lot of persuasion, he finally agreed to go along to the new school. But his school didn't want him for the same reason. This is a school for normal boys. Why don't you take your son to the school for deaf and dumb children? Asked the headmaster of the school bluntly. Avatar Narayan was angry. My son is not dumb, sir. His hearing is little bad. He is under treatment and will soon be fine, he argued, but in vain. Other schools had the same to say in despair. Father and son returned home. Though Avatar Narayan felt settled, he would not give up hope. After the unsuccessful expedition to the schools, Satish became very moody. He could not talk freely with anyone because he was unable to hear a single word. His brother Inder sat for hours with him and talked to him, teaching him words and pronunciation. Unable to bear the taunts and teasing of the children in the neighborhood, Satish even avoided going out to play. His father and Inder spent time with him every day, talking to him, trying to teach him things. If you want to get on in life, you have to read a lot. You can learn a great deal of things just by reading. His father told Satish, giving him an armful of books. Satish leaped through them. The Life of Garibaldi, translated into Urdu by Lala Lajpat Rai, the works of Munshi Premchand, Sarat Chandar and several others. It was as if a whole world opened out for him. Satish became a voracious reader. The books, however, were all serious works meant for older children and sometimes even for adults. They made him feel depressed and left a deep impression upon his sensitive mind. He came to know of another world through them, a world of suffering and anguish. He brooded long and hard about why there was so much suffering in the world, while his own world looked comfortable in comparison. Another butt of fever struck and Satish was confined to bed. All he could do was sit and stare out of the window or read. He felt lonely and full of despair at his flight. Beta, if you have to go to school and learn, what will you do in life if you don't get education? Yes, Avatar Narayan told about that the importance of education in his life. Yes, education is very important to reach something or get anything, or if we reach our aim, we must have the education. He tried to convince his son to the importance of the education, and Satish heard snatches of his words. Yes, Satish didn't heard the voice. He didn't heard the voice of his father clearly, but even though that also he heard snatches. Snatches means a part words, some sounds of the words he heard, but he knew that what he was saying. But he understand that what was his father said to him. He understand that after a lot of persuasion means convince. His father convinced. At last his father convinced him, finally agreed to going to the new school. But what happens? Satish agreed to join the new school, ready to join the new school. But what happens in the new school, see here, but this school didn't want him for the same reason. Yes, the new school teacher also suggests that you don't join the ordinary or normal students school. You join your son to the special school, that is deaf and dumb students' school. Here, why don't you take your son to the school of deaf and dumb children? Asked the headmaster of school bluntly, without hesitatingly, without thinking anything, without any, the teacher don't have any feelings about that. Blindly means boldly see the teacher speak about that to the Avatar Nayan that you must join your son to the deaf and dumb children school. Then Avatar Nayan become very angry, get angry. He think that his son will be cured. His son will be cured and his son will be have the ability of hearing. My son is not dumb. Yes, parents always don't accept that, the incapability of their children. So that's why here the Avatar Nayan also said that my son is not a dumb. Sir, his hearing is a little bad. His hearing ability is very little bad, but he was not a dumb. So he is under treatment. Now he is taking the treatment. Will soon be fine. In this short time he will be have the ability of hearing. His father is have a lot of hopes about his health, but in vain. But he argued with the teacher, but the school teacher didn't agree about to take the admission to the child. Other schools had the same to say. All the schools teachers are say the same, and they all are rejected the admission of the child because of his inability of the hearing. In despair, father and son return home. At last, without success. Desperate means lot of efforts, but there is no success. Failure in their lot of efforts, they return home. Though Avatar Nayan felt sheltered. Yes, Avatar Nayan felt very sheltered. Sheltered means helpless. He become helpless because his son's hearing ability is not proper. So that's why he didn't get admission for his son in the normal school. So that's why he would not give up hope. But even though that also he had lot of failure in that taking admission for his son in the normal school. Even though that also he would not give up hope. Still he have the hopes. After the unsuccessful expedition to the school, yes, after that means he went and visited many more schools for his son's admission, but it's unsuccessful. The effort is very unsuccessful because of that child's hearing ability is very low. So that Satish became very moody. Now Satish become very sad. He feel very sad. He become very moody. He completely involved in his feelings. So that's why he could not talk freely with anyone. Now he could not talk with anyone because of he can't hear properly, he can't hear the others' words. How can he react to them? So that's why he could not speak anyone. He was unable to hear a single word. Time goes to one day and another day. His hearing abilities become very less and less and less. So his brother Inder sat for hours with him. But his brother Inder Gujarat is sat with him, and he tried to speak with him, and he also tried to make him fun, and he is always spending his time with his brother Satish. So because he want to make his brother to happy, and he want to create hopes in his mind, and he also tried to teach how to speak, how to observe the lips movements. How to observe the lips movements and understand the words. He tried to teach his brother. So every day he talking to him and trying to teach him things. He also tried to teach many new things to him. If you want to get on in life, you have to read a lot. Yes, his father said, if you want to get on in your life, means if you want to become something in your life, you must read a lot of books, lot of knowledge you must gain with reading, then you will achieve some things in your life. His you can learn a great deal of things. Yes, you can learn a great deal of things just by reading. Yes, you get many things from through reading the books. Meaning you can get the whole world within your books through reading the books. Book is one of the best friend in our life. He is saying that the reading is the importance of reading. So his father tried to keep his son busy in reading. So that's why that reading maybe gives him to the pleasure. So that's why his father told him, Satish, that giving him an all full of books. He provided number of books. He provided number of books to Satish to read those books. Satish leaped through them. He completely read that books completely, except within one word. Deep means purposeful reading or intensive reading, deep reading. He completely read those books. The Life of Garibaldi. Yes, which are those books? The Life of Garibaldi. The Life of Garibaldi. This was translated into Urdu by Lala Lajpat Rai. Yes, this was translated into the Urdu by Lala Lajpat Rai. Our freedom fighter Lala Lajpat Rai translated this book. The works of Munshi Premchand. Yes, this book is written by Munshi Premchand. Munshi Premchand has wrote this book, and this book is translated into Urdu by our Lala Lajpat Rai. So Sar Chandar and several others books. Yes, he read many more books of other authors. Sarat Chandra and several other authors' books also he read. It was as if a whole world, yes, as if a whole world is open out for him through the books. The whole world is open for Satish. Now through the books are giving light. The books are giving the knowledge to us. The books is also giving the information about our present days and past days, whatever goings around us. Yes, books are providing the everything, the every knowledge to us. So that's why the author is saying that the whole world is open for Satish through these books. Satish became a ferocious reader. Yes, the ferocious reader. Ferocious word is repeated. Okay, in the previous class, in the fourth lesson number 4, there Ambedkar is a ferocious reader. Now we understand. We know that the meaning of the ferocious. Okay, ferocious means is strong desire to read. Means he has getting knowledge. Is eager to getting knowledge. Okay, the books however were all serious books meant for older children and sometimes even for adults. Yes, Satish Gujral read the books one by one. Like that he read many more books. Even though he also read the books of older children. Yes, he read the books for older children also he read. Because you want to get the knowledge, and it is for the passing the time activity. This is one of his activity for passing this time, because he was alone in his room, because he don't go out of his home, because he don't have hearing any words, and that's why the children of their street and the neighbor children are mocking at him because of his incapability of hearing. So hearing all these problems, facing all these problems, he feels very difficult to go out of the home. So that's why he was stay in home and staying within that room and he go through the books. Now he completely involved himself to the reading all the books. So one by one, he getting one by one books and read all the books. See here, this lesson is also tells us about the importance of reading. The reading book is one of the route or one of the way to we get the knowledge, and not only get knowledge, we also lead our life. So the books, however, were all serious works meant for children and sometimes even for adults. Yes, he was also read the books, even though adults books also he read. Even adults books also he read. Adults means old persons, old peoples. Means the books are for older peoples, which was general knowledge books, generally information getting books. He read those books and scientist books and authors. They made him feel depressed. Yes, after reading the books and books, he became very depressed. And later, and left a deep impression upon his sensitive mind. Yes, reading books, it made him depressed and left the deep impression. He kept himself in the room. He kept himself with the books, and he became alone and upon his sensitive mind. His sensitive mind. His mind is very sensitive. So that mind makes him, made him that think about the whole world. The mind makes him to think about the whole world. He became to know of another world through them. Yes, now he becomes successful to know the world, another world of, because seeing around him, the world around him is maybe pleasant. Maybe those he's seeing all are very happy. He's seeing all the people are happy around him. But now go through these books, you know that about the many people are struggling live their life. Many people are struggling live their life. We know that through these books, a word of sufferings and anguish. The word is have a lot of sufferings. It had lot of sufferings and anguish. Anguish means pain. Anguish means pain. Yes, now he understands. He is not only getting the pain or sufferings. Even the whole world, in the whole world, number of people are facing many problems like him. And many problems are in the sufferings and anguish. Anguish means painful life. Painful life. Many people are leading their painful life in the world. So he brooded long and hard about why there was so much sufferings in the world. Yes, now he brooded means now he understand. He tried to understand and getting the reasons. He want to know the reasons for that. Why the people are hard. Why the people are hard to live their life. Why these people are sufferings? All the people have sufferings. Why? He also thinking about like that. So in the world, while his own world looked comfortable in comparison. Yes, now he is feel like that his world is comfortable for in comparison to others. Yes, now through the books he understands that in the world not only he was facing the problems, many more people are facing many problems and many sufferings comparison to Satish. Many more problems comparing to Satish's life, comparing to his life, people are having more sufferings and more problems in their life. Now we understand that in the world there are number of people are facing many problems compared to him more and more problems. Now we understand that he is feeling like that he is better to compare to others. Another butt of fever struck and Satish was confined to bed. Yes, now what happens? Another butt of fever. Once again we get infection of fever. Once again we get the fever. Infection, fever and confined to bed. Yes, once again he lay on the bed. Now what happens? All he could do was sit and stare out of the window or read. Now he could not walk or could not come out of that bed. Now he confined to bed and sit on his bed and stare out of the window. Only staring out of the window is only for his entertainment now, because and once again he suffered a fever. Once again he faced the fever of in his life. So that's why that is infection happens in his ears. That's why he getting oftenly fever. So that's why he feel very weak. So he sit on his bed and stare outside the window. Through the window he staring outside of that. He felt and reading books only. He felt lonely. Now he become alone. Now he become very alone. He feel very alone in his life nowadays and full of despair at his life. Now he become helpless. Now he become helpless about his situation, about his life situation. Life means the situation of his life, the condition of his life. His condition of his health made him like that, very feel lonely, and only he is sitting on the bed and watching out of the window. So he is spending his life like that. See here how he become alone, and he even though he not able to go to school, even though he not able to attend the school, even though that also he read number of books and improve his education. He getting the knowledge through reading the books. He get many more number of books from his father. His father encouraged him to read more and more because he had lot of hopes about his son. One day he will be cured from that disease, and once again his son get admission to the general school or normal school, and one day his son become great educated person, and one day he become educated person, and one day he become a big officer. His father have lot of hopes and on his son Satish, but now Satish is reading books and reading number of books and spending the time with books. So here what will happen in his life? We will see in the next class whether he is getting admission in normal children's school, or whether he is getting treatment for successful for his getting treatment of hearing problem, or whether he is get good health in future. What will happen in his life? We will see in the next class. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words selected from the words given in bracket. Ganesh was fond of riding bicycle. One day he rode it so fast that he lost control and hit against an electric pole. His left leg got fractured and there were scratches all over the body. He was badly dashed. His mother, who was near, ran up to him. She tried to console him with dash words. Some boys who were near dashed him. The teacher, who happened to pass by, told them it was dash that they should laugh instead of helping the boy. Ganesh was all right, but his hopes of taking part in the Kabaddi tournament that day were dashed. Brushed, teased, soothing, concerned, unbecoming, sheltered, sulked. These are the words. You shall choose correct words to the filling the blanks. Here, he was badly brushed. Answer is brushed. Answer is brushed. His mother, who was near, ran up to him. She tried to console him with soothing words. Some boys who were near teased him. The teacher, who happened to pass by, told them it was unbecoming that they should laugh instead of helping the boy. Ganesh was all right, but his hope of taking part in the Kabaddi tournament that day were sucked. Like that, you must fill in the blanks. And here is one of the tasks. Second task is given. You can form the opposites of words by adding an, in, dismiss. A list of words is given below. Write words adding the prefixes important, well, advantageous, understand, approve, decent. Here we must make these words to opposite words. Important, unimportant. Well, unwell. Advantageous, disadvantageous. Understand, misunderstand. Approve, disapprove. Decent, indecent. Like that, we make opposite words by adding these words.